when you're an athlete and you're competing at a super high level, it's like being it's almost like being in it is like being in a washing machine or on a roller coaster. It's non-stop. So as soon as you finish one big event, your brain and the plan and the focus, it all switches to the next one, and it keeps going and going, and it has to be like that. It's a conveyor belt, because that's elite level sport. It never stops. The world doesn't stop, and you have to get ready for the next event, the next event, the next event. But it doesn't give you a lot of time to really process things, and I wanted to really, for one last time, soak in the atmosphere of a competition.